Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Rolling through the heart of Metairie, the Krewe of Symphony parade represents a modern chapter in Louisiana's long Mardi Gras tradition. While New Orleans often takes center stage during Carnival season, Jefferson Parish has built a parade culture of its own, one rooted in community, creativity, and accessibility. The Krewe of Symphony is part of a newer generation of Mardi Gras organizations. Formed in the 21st century, the Krewe was created to bring a fresh theme and inclusive energy to the Metairie parade route. As its name suggests, music is central to the Krewe's identity, celebrating the role sound and rhythm play in Louisiana culture, from marching bands and jazz to pop, rock, and classical influences. Metairie itself has a distinct Mardi Gras history. As suburban growth expanded after World War II, Jefferson Parish began developing parades that reflected its evolving population. By the late 20th century, Metairie Road and Veterans Boulevard had become established parade corridors, offering residents a family-friendly alternative to the dense crowds of New Orleans. The Krewe of Symphony fits squarely into that tradition. Its floats are designed to be visually bold and musically inspired, often featuring oversized instruments, theatrical lighting, and coordinated soundtracks. Riders typically throw a mix of traditional beads and themed items that tie back to music and performance, reinforcing the Krewe's central concept. Like many Mardi Gras organizations, Symphony operates as a social crew built by local members who plan year-round. Float design, costume selection, and parade logistics all reflect volunteer effort and community investment. That grassroots structure is part of what keeps Jefferson Parish parades closely connected to the neighborhoods they roll through. Mardi Gras itself traces back centuries, arriving in Louisiana during the colonial era. Over time, parades evolved from informal street processions into organized spectacles, especially in the 19th and 20th centuries. Today, crews like Symphony show how the tradition continues to adapt, honoring the past while reflecting present-day culture. As the parade moves through Metairie in Mardi Gras 2026, the Krewe of Symphony stands as a reminder that Carnival is not just about history, but about participation. It's about locals building something memorable for their own streets, their own families, and their own sense of place. watching.